right? Look it. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, it's so cold. It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold.
Alright, crazies.
Yeah. It's so cold.
If you need to go to your own rooms, there's still time. Grady, do you have to go to your bed? Alright, heads down.
I'll teach him all the rules.
You'll teach them all the rules.
Oh, Daddy! Daddy, me and Grady are having a sleepover.
Alright, give each other hugs and kisses. Good night.
Good night. Okay, let's watch Return to Neverland.
Return to Neverland?
To Neverland, yeah.
Alright, I love you.
Love you too.
I love you, Grady.
I love you too.